There are so many things you can do with the glue gun. It is literally the most universal tool we can think of. So, it's time for you to take that old glue gun out of the closet and dust off the cobwebs. Let's get to work! First, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more crazy hacks. Now, stay tuned to see cool things you can do with a glue gun. Brooch. To make this brooch, we are going to use an ice cube tray, some safety pins, and fat cream. Let's pour some glitter in. The more sparkles, the better. You'll be surprised, but ice cube trays can be used to make cool accessories. Now it's time for the glue. Really get it in there. These stars are definitely going to shine bright like diamonds. Before the brooch dries, attach a safety pin to the back. We can also add the pin on after everything dries, if we forget to do it earlier. This looks cool and is so easy to make. Keychain. For this hack, we will use some flower lace. It's important to spread fat cream on the foil so that the glue doesn't stick and come off easily. Put some glue down, and then the flower on top, and then more glue. Don't be afraid to use a lot of glue. It will give it a nice thick shape. It looks cool already! Cut around the edges of the keychain to make a nice circle. We can smooth it out with the tip of the glue gun. There's really nothing this glue gun can't do, is there? Poke the heated needle through the keychain and add on that chain. Voila! All done! Phone bumper. Hello? Can you hear us? We've got a cool new hack coming your way. Cover the phone in foil. Wrap it up like a Pop-Tart. A little warning from us. Make sure you wrap the phone carefully. You don't want the glue to cause any damage. Don't forget about that cream. Keep adding that glue on. Do the same thing on the other side. Let's get rid of all this excess glue. Cut, cut, cut! Now, let's add some ribbon. We are going to twirl the ribbon around the bumper and glue as we go. You know what this phone case needs? Cat ears. But you can add anything you like, really. We just like cats. Put some glue on top of the cream like we did before and cut it all out. Let's paint them with nail polish. You can use acrylic paint too, but nail polish dries faster. This is turning out to be so adorable. We can't wait to use this bumper. Vase. First we need a vase. Make sure it's not a fancy one. Any clear vase will do. Here's the part where you can go wild with your imagination. Draw a cool design with glue on the vase. Drawing with glue is so satisfying. Add some glue inside the circles and sparkle this creation up. Look how easy that was! Super cute! Beads. We are going to add some character to this mirror. Make glue dots with a glue gun. Keep going until you have covered the whole sheet. Let's jazz these things up with nail polish. You can use these beads to decorate so many things. All you need is your imagination. It takes a little time, but the result is worth it. Mug pad. Okay, stains from a cup like this happen. And sometimes they happen in the worst places possible. So we decided to make our own pad to make sure that never happens again. After we have traced the pad, we are going to cover it with cream, as always. Now glue! Glue can literally make anything better. Let's add a second layer of glue so that the pad is thick enough. Go crazy with the glue! the rough edges. It's almost done, but it's too plain. You can use acrylic paint by itself, but we are going to use nail polish along with it to give it a little kick. Drizzle it in some water and dip the surface of the pad in. Doesn't this look like a magic cauldron? It goes perfectly with our Maleficent cup. Ladybug magnet! Ladybugs are so cute. Don't you just want them on everything? Take some magnets, then trace how big you want your ladybugs to be. Add cream. Let's glue it up. We have to wait a little while for the glue to dry. Now put the circle on top. Whoever thought you could make something so adorable with a glue gun? Glue the magnet on. Now, let's give this thing some cool eyes so it can stare up at us as we work. OMG! So stinking cute! Anti-slip socks. Slipping around in socks is the worst. Shouldn't someone have invented a way to stop us from sliding by now? Well, we have come up with our own. Glue dots. Perfect. Bracelet. Add some cream to a soda can. Little known fact, soda cans make the perfect wrist models. The glue needs to go around the can, but the lines don't have to be perfectly straight. Wrap the string around the bottle however you want your bracelet to be. Glue it all down. Now we've got the base of our bracelet made. Let's add some beads. Now we can put it all together. Look how cute that is! And super inexpensive. Salt shaker. Cut up an old Sprite bottle. This is the best way to recycle. Add some cream. Glue gun time. We are going to need a ton of glue. Jam that Sprite bottle top onto the glue. Cut it all out. Use a candle or a lighter to warm up a needle and make some holes in the top of the bottle. You can make one for pepper too. Just use a cola or Fanta bottle. It would be a cool match for a Sprite salt shaker. Basket. Who can ever have enough baskets? Maybe this way we will stop losing nail polishes and things. Okay, so let's trace around this jar with glue. We want to make sure we glue in a spider web motion on the bottom of the jar. Keep gluing. Let it cool and take the form off. Now we have the perfect spot for our polishes. You can also store cotton balls in the basket too. Earring back. It's so annoying when we lose our earring backs. Instead of throwing out the whole set, let's use glue to make a brand new back. Just make a little glue dot on the back of your earring. Now, we have a brand new earring back. Genius! Pins and needles. It's time to finally stop pricking ourselves with those pesky needles every time we sew. Let's use glue to make some needle caps. Now, they will never harm anyone again. Next, let's turn a needle into a dressmaker pin. All we have to do is glue the little bulbs on, and voila! Named glasses. Don't you just hate when you can't remember whose glass is whose? We do too! Especially during flu season. All we need to do is make hot glue letters on top of our handy dandy cream. You can try making your initials or a cute saying. The options are endless. Now we just have to stick the letters onto the glasses. Super cute and super useful. We've made so many cool things today, but that's just the start of all the amazing crafts you can do with a glue gun. Do you want to see some more? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!